In this video, we are going to be analysing LYFT. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue to the upside? As of right now, our closest resistance is around $20, $20.50. If we're able to push that and continue higher, then we'll be looking at $25, $31.75, $38. And then final levels pushing up to around $44, $52/54, and a final level at $66. Obviously, a lot of these are very far off from where we are now, and these are more just as a longer term target. But to pay more attention to, at least to the upside, will be this $20 and the 25. If we can break these, then expect the gap fill to push, well, the gap to get filled, and a push to at least kind of $30. But onto the support levels, if we start to sell off, what are we paying attention to? As of right now, our closest levels is around $11 and $8.85. So if we start to pull back, these will be the main focus. And that would take us down to around the 52-week low. So definitely key areas to be buying if you were looking to buy up shares of LYFT. Now, if we were to break that level and continue lower, we no longer have any standard deviation levels to go off because they turn negative. So really, if you were looking to buy lower than that, it would just be key psychological levels, meaning the $7.50, the $5, the $2.50 and $1 if it was to go that low. But again, not all that likely. Really, the key focus to the downside is just to the $11. If we can push down to there, near that 52-week low, could provide a good buying opportunity. And the same thing to the upside, we're mainly paying attention to the $20.50. And if we can break that, come back to test it as support and continue to the next level, that would be the same pattern we would look at going all the way up. Anyway, that is the breakdown on LYFT. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on CVS.